Hi, good afternoon. We are right now in a Meadowwood development. It's a new development here in the West St. Paul. Wonderful West St. Paul. This is the house. It's a bungalow basically, 1421 square feet. Kensington is the builder for this house. You see, they have used a stone outside, very beautiful stone, 24 by 12. Is the garage size, which is oversized as compared to the other garages. You can see how there are. This is the main entrance. Once we enter to the bungalow, they have a space over here. You can use it. Plus, this is the closet where you can put your jackets in winter or in summer. You can put over there shoes. So this is the garage which I was talking about, 24 by 2, a big space over there. So you can park easily two Ram. It's a pickup is usually used in this part of country. So once you enter into this, has a special great room, 16 by 13. 16 is into the length and the 13 is the width. Plus, you can have a look. It's a vaulted ceiling. Means it's a 12 feet high ceiling, and the corner plus they have it windows as well. These are the windows which is next to the great room. So it gives you the more light. Okay, further we move ahead. This is a kitchen. Kitchen is from the kitchen craft. Kitchen craft is the one of the best kitchen maker here in the Canada. Moreover, they are into the Springfield, Manitoba. So this is the kitchen made by those people. You can see over here, it's written kitchen craft. And then they have a CLF. This is Alexa fan which is going outside. Usually what happen when we cook a food, due to the spices fragrance, it stays in a house for the longer duration. If you have a fan which is, you can call as an exhaust fan in normal language, it will throw the all the fragrance or all the smell out of the house. This is quartz countertop. These are the upgrades. Plus, they have a double sink underneath. Underneath means whenever you do, if there is a water, you can do like this. And there is a three lights over there, and then pot lights, four pot lights are there. So we have a dining area here. You can see eat in kitchen. For example, in some traditions, they like the food should be eaten at the same place where it is cooked. That's due to some their own faith, or we can say it's always a helpful for both who is preparing a food or who is eating, so that they don't need to run and here and there. This is a refrigerator which is included, appliances are included. This is microwave, and we will put a dishwasher underneath here. We have a space over there, but dishwasher is lying over here, so we will put it there, hook it once uh, it's near to the possession date. So this is basically Kensington bungalow in a Meadowwood. The home feature vaulted ceiling on open carpet layout and abundant natural light. The spacious, this is spacious. Great room is the perfect for entertainment. The modern boost quartz countertops, stainless sheet appliances, and oversized island and maple cabinets. This makes the kitchen beautiful. And moreover, some people do not like that their privacy, this wall, which is right away. This also help if somebody sitting here and somebody doing a work in a kitchen, they don't want to get disturbed, or they need some privacy. In some cultures, people like privacy when they are the cooking food. So for that point of view, this is wonderful thing. This is a pantry. We have a lot of space in the kitchen, but still, if you want to put anything in a pantry, you can use this. Further down, if we go, this is a primary bedroom. This is 13 by 3 into 12 by zero point 0.8. It's vacant, so that's why it must look a little bit shorter. But once we put the stuff over here, then it is good. I will show you backyard. This is a backyard. The this wooden arrow, that wooden, it shows the backyard is from there up to there and there. Moreover, you can see at the back, just next to this property, there is a trail moving down from Immaculate to Main Street. If somebody wants to walk and enjoy, they can use it in the summer, but not in the winter because, okay, this is ensuite washroom. With a standing shower. Initially, we used to have a tub inside the washrooms and bathroom, you can see. But now they have put the standing shower, which is more benefited because you don't need a here to be somebody lying in a tub. That doesn't make sense because the primary bedroom usually head of house stays, and the head of house always you go to the work. That's it. This is a closet. Uh, it's a closet, ensuite closet. If you want, you can put over the clothes and you can take a shower over there and come back. This is a common washroom. As I told you, there is a tub. You can see here they have a tub. If you have a small kids, they will like to enjoy in the tub. They will lie down in the tub and play. But obviously, grown-up guy do not have a time. It's a Canada. So once we move down, there is another bedroom of very good space and with the closet. So you can use this bedroom for your kids, for your brother, sister, and this is the third bedroom on the main floor. This is 13 by, again, this has a very good size and with the windows, so the natural light is coming. These are the development. That's a next property to this one. There is a lot of development going on in the Meadowwood, uh, West St. Paul right now. So let's go to the basement and have a look. Okay, once the builder built new home, they do not put a basement in it because it's going to be a cost too high for a builder to put a basement. So we are going downstairs right now. This is the beauty of a bungalow. We have a big, huge 1,400 square feet basement. So you can put a 2-bedroom or you can put a 3-bedroom as well because we have a 1, 2, and the 3 third window. Usually the houses do not have an iron beam. This here is the iron beam for more stability of the house. You can see this will provide a more stability to the house. When do we have a iron beam? This is a high efficient furnace. Lennox is the #1 in Canada. So this works on the same principle as our Nostell works. Then this is live breath. Hot water tank, which will be the water which we use to clean clothes